Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this video series, we are taking you an exciting journey across the USA, flying between the major cities, checking out cool hotels, hopping on the city bus tours, and visiting iconic sightseeing spots along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. In my previous episodes of USA series, I traveled by bus through New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Washington DC and Niagara Falls, enjoying sightseeing tours at every destination. If you missed this series, click the I button to watch those episodes. In today's episode, we are starting our guided sightseeing city bus tour of San Francisco. Our first stop is Fisherman's Wharf at Pier 43 half, where we will board the red and white fleet for a 1-hour bay cruise. The scenic cruise offering a stunning views of the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and the beautiful San Francisco city skyline. For more detail or to book the tickets, you can visit their website www.redandwhite.com. Happy window. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning. Actually, I'm always on the time. People are early.
You know on that thing.
Yeah.
Clock is wrong.
Yeah. No, people are early. I am always on the time.
At 43 and a half, now you say what is half 43? Piers, there are piers. It is Fisherman's Wharf where we are going. That's the most happening place in San Francisco. It is about 10 blocks and 2 blocks in width. So the last one is 45 pier, then it is 43 and a half. That is the only pier which is 43 and a half. Rest all are in odd numbers. So we are going there, taking the bay cruise for 1 hour. In the bay cruise, they don't drop you anywhere. You just go around under the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz, and then you come back. After that, we are going to do walkie-talkie to Pier 39, and Pier 39 we'll do flyer. Then you will have lunch time. After lunch time, we'll have a city tour. Our guide will come, and after city tour, we'll have cable car. Now, cable car, you all have the impression that cable car is on top. It is not that top cable car. It is on that tram like thing. So you will see on the way also. It's fun to go in that. So after cable car, then it will be free time. We'll decide what time it gets over. Now the San Francisco is the most beautiful city. I love coming here. I find this is the best city than any other city in the USA. This is the marketplace. This is in 1906 when the earthquake took place. 80% of San Francisco got burnt, and this is the only structure. Those days it was the tallest tower, and this is the only one which was survived. So from here the ferry people go to their islands. There are Angel Island, Oakland, and Treasure Island. So the ferry goes. The people come for work from there in this ferry, and then evening they go back from this ferry. This is the only ferry building left now. All the piers means where the ferry docks, you know. Before these bridges were built, these piers were used for the ferries to go to the islands. But after the bridge was made, then all the piers got closed, and only this one is pending now. This one, they are using it. That is Treasure Island on the right hand side. This is the Fisherman's Wharf. It goes on. And behind this building you will see Mahatma Gandhi statue. These all are going to ferry. It's like Church Gate. Local trains. You will get people rushing out and rushing out, coming out. 80 feet. This is Pier 3.
Head northwest on the Embarcadero.
So all the
Road
piers
to
became
Pier 5.
like restaurants, warehouses, offices, because they didn't want to demolish the building, so they kept it as it is. And this is exploratorium for the students. That is Alcatraz. See that island. It is only 1.2 miles away. There were 26 people tried to escape. From that, 6 are shot dead, and other 5 is missing. From that, another 6 people were shot dead, and then rest of them were caught and put it back in the jail. And you will believe who were the first prisoners in that Alcatraz? Can anybody guess? It was Indians. That Sardar Singh, Patel Singh, and Sardar. But it was not for wrong reasons. It was for the independence movement. After 3 months, they were left. So that is the Alcatraz. It's only 1.2 miles, but nobody can swim and come here because the water is very, very cold. 0 degrees. I've sent you a picture of soup in a bowl. That is from this booty on the left hand side. Yeah, you get vegetarian and non-vegetarian soup in that. But for 2 people, 1 is enough. Okay, now please pick up all the stuff what you need because you will get the bus only at 1:30.
So we are finally arrived at our first stop, Fisherman's Wharf at Pier 43 House.
After the cruise, there is a restroom, but they close before 15 minutes arriving. So 1 hour cruise. Meanwhile, you can put a souvenir and have a and then come out at 10:40, be in the line.
That's the voice of our tour manager, Miss Sugandha, leading us in sight and tips as we explore the San Francisco iconic sites. As you check on this ticket counter, you can check the schedule of cruise departure. The cost of Golden Bay cruise for 1 hour is $39 for adult and for youth $29. So it's generally start from 11 a.m. Now I am walking towards the photo point at Fisherman's Wharf. The area is lively and bustling waterfront destination famous for its tourist attraction, restaurant and souvenir shop. It's always full of energy and excitement. We will take some beautiful photos and here capture these memorable moments. The weather today is sunny, but in San Francisco the weather can change very quickly. At any moment it might be sudden turn cloudy or even start raining. But hopefully today I will enjoy the trip without any rain. Now I am heading towards gate number 1, from where I will board the red and white fleet Bay cruise for a beautiful journey across the bay. As we walk towards the boarding area at Pier 43 Half, you can already see the beautiful water of San Francisco Bay stretching out in front of us. The bay is one of the most famous waterfronts in the United States, surrounded by historic landmark bridges and islands. Right ahead of us is the famous red and white fleet cruise boat. This company has been operating sightseeing cruises in San Francisco since 1892, making it one of the oldest and most trusted cruise operation in the city.
Only 4. English on the speakers.
English?
Okay? English on the speakers.
Okay.
Yeah, English on the speakers. Hindi audio, Japanese.
Here we also receive audio commentary headset which are available in multiple languages so visitors from around the world can easily understand the history and landmarks of San Francisco Bay. The cruise has also offers both indoor and outdoor sitting area, allowing passengers to relax inside or step outside on the deck to enjoy the fresh sea breeze and capture beautiful views. The Bay cruise is about 1 hour long and the boat takes visitors across the sparkling water of the bay, passing under the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, circling around the historic Alcatraz Island and offering amazing view of San Francisco skyline. Now the ship is moving smoothly across the water. The sound of the engine feels powerful, almost like a lion roaring in the jungle. Let's capture this beautiful moment here. It's truly a beautiful moment. I am really enjoying this experience and never imagined that one day I would enjoy such a wonderful moment here on the water of San Francisco. As you can see, the cruise is now passing under the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, one of the most famous landmarks in the world. The magnificent suspension bridge connects San Francisco with marine country and stretches across the beautiful Golden Gate Strait. The view from here absolutely breathtaking, with the deep blue water of San Francisco Bay surrounding us, the city skyline visible in the distance. From this point, the ship will slowly turn around and begin heading towards the Alcatraz Island, the historic island once known for its famous federal prison. Now the cruise is passing by the famous Alcatraz Island, one of the most historic and mysterious landmarks in San Francisco. Island once housed the notorious Alcatraz Federal Penitentiary, which operated from 1934 to 1963 and held some of America's most dangerous criminals. Because it was surrounded by cold and strong currents of San Francisco Bay, it was considered one of the most secure prisons in the US. Today the island has become a popular tourist attraction where the visitors come to learn about its fascinating history and enjoy incredible views of San Francisco skyline. Now our cruise is slowly returning to the starting point, Pier 43.5, where our journey begins. The entire trip across San Francisco Bay has been truly wonderful, from sailing under the magnificent Golden Gate Bridge to passing by the historic Alcatraz Island. Every moment offered breathtaking views and unforgettable memories. It was an amazing experience and really enjoyed these beautiful sights of San Francisco from the water. It's time to wrap up this video, but stay tuned for next episode. We will walk a couple of blocks to Pier 39, where we will experience the exciting Flyer San Francisco, a 5-minute ride inside a 28-seater flying theater. After that, we will meet our guide again and continue our San Francisco sightseeing city tour. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel vlogs and updates.